Alright guys, welcome back to 243 Outdoors. This is Josh. So it's Monday again, and next weekend will be second firearm shotgun season. So if I want to shoot this week, today's the day. It's very windy today. There's about a 15-mile-an-hour crosswind from my left to right. I've got the truck on this side of me today, kind of blocking the wind off me, and maybe you guys can hear me. So last Monday I got the range set back up. I got targets at 100 yards, 250 yards, 400, 500, and 650 out here, and I haven't shot them all yet, so that's what we're doing today. I'm just going to send a few rounds down range. One thing I want to talk about before we get started is the video I put up. It would be today, but I don't know when you'll see this, but on Monday with the other Ruger American with the Vortex scope. I did not realize that the reticle is not true on full power. There's a red line on the zoom ring that's about 18 power, and that is where it is true. I did not know that, so my holdovers were off considerably. I'm not trying to make excuses, but I did not know that about Vortex scopes, so we'll probably kind of look back into that here in the near future. Another problem I was having was without the brake and the added weight, I was having a little trouble keeping the scope on target after I shot to spot the impacts. But we're going to work with that some more here. So today we're shooting my rifle. Just going to send some at each of the targets and just see what we can do. Shooting some 140 Handloads. So the first target we're going to shoot at is 250 yards. I'm going to dial today and just try to figure out my holds for this range now. Give it a 3 minute. I'm going to have to give it some wind today, I'm sure, so start with a minute. The 250 target is a black one. And this is the new home for the bench right here on the 650 grain. Looks like it was right on. Now this gun is night and day difference compared to shooting that other gun. This one just shoots like a dream. It's a couple pounds heavier in the brake, and it just works so well. Alright, we got that one. Stacked it on top. So our next target is going to be 400 yards, 400 to 7.1. So we're going up to 7. I'm going to give it 2 more clicks of wind. Chambered kind of tight. Our 400 is a 12-inch one. It is white target. We just caught the edge of it, so I'm going to give it 4 more clicks of wind. These rounds are neck size, they're not full length size. Windage a lot better. Hit a little high on it, but we're on target. Our next one's going to be 500 yards, and 500 shows 10.2. We'll go 10 1/4. It's a 16-inch piece of steel. It is a black target. Wind's really starting to catch it. Yeah, that was a lot better. So we got one left. That is the 650-yard target. It's all the way to the fence row. It's right beside my 1,000-yard target. It's just, we can't shoot the 1,000-yard one from here because it's soft steel. So 650 is calling for 15.6. We'll go 15 and a half, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a couple more on wind, because boy, it's really gusting right now. It's full crosswind. It is a 16-inch piece of steel, and it is also painted black. Love that sound of those 16-inch ones. They sound so good. Let's see if we can do it again. Got it. Go ahead and shoot 2 more for 10 rounds, and I'll let you guys go. Just a short little video. I've been working really hard around the house today, getting the yard mowed and leaves chopped up, and I power washed the mower deck and painted underneath it and cleaned out the gutters, and I felt like I deserved to go out to the range here for a little bit. So let's send 2 more, and I'll let you go. Missed that one. The wind is changing every little bit. There, it's picking back up. There, we whacked it. So that's going to be it for out here at the range today. Thank everybody for watching, and as always, we'll see you later.